Hello, in front of me I've got DarkBeacon Blade 68. In this video I'll show you how to create and assign macro. In the beginning, let's go to dedicated app and select macro. Now, add macro, enter your macro name. Enter tag or select default tag. Now select macro type. You can select single trigger, hold, repeat, toggle switch and sequence. Let's select single trigger. Record your macro. Once it's done, stop recording and save. Now let's go to Remap. Select button you would like to assign your macro to. Select my macros and select your macro, and it's done. If you want to remove macro, press clear all and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.